So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all the steps that I take to do twists on my hair and then following that by a twist out. So this is what my hair looks like right now. I don't have anything in it, but yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So for my first step, I'm going to be shampooing my hair. If you have thick hair, make sure the water gets evenly saturated throughout your hair and make sure the water gets in your scalp. I'm going to be using Aussie shampoo. This shampoo helps repair and strengthens damaged hair, and it also softens and moisturizes your hair. I've said this before and I'm going to say it again. It's important to shampoo your hair twice because the first shampoo gets rid of surface dirt and the second one actually cleans your hair and scalp. So now I'm just washing the shampoo out. This is the conditioner I'm going to be using. You can use any conditioner that you have, it doesn't really matter. So this is what I'm going to be using to detangle. So I'm going to detangle off camera and show you guys what my hair looks like right after. When your hair is properly detangled, your comb should glide through your hair this easily. Make sure to thoroughly wash the conditioner out and make sure to take your time. This is what my hair looks like after shampooing and conditioning. It feels so soft. I'm going to be using elastics to section my hair. I'm going to be using Lotta Body Curl and Style Milk. So I take my section and apply my product. And if your hair ever gets dry, just make sure to spray some water. So you want to take two sections of hair and wrap them around one another. This technique is also known as two-strand twists. And the first twist is done. Now I'm on to my second one. I'm just making sure that the product that I'm using is getting nicely smoothed out onto my section. So I just did some more detangling, and then I began twisting. Two-strand twists can help you retain more length and prevent breakage. Two-strand twists are one of the many protective styles like braids, cornrows, etc. So I detangle my ends to prevent having a lump of hair at the end of my twist. I'm adding water to make the whole process a lot easier. So I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like after I finish this whole entire section. Whenever my hair gets dry again, I just add some more water. So now I'm going to show you guys the end result of my twists. So this is what they're looking like. Anytime I do this style to go to sleep, I just wear a bonnet. Or if you guys don't happen to have a bonnet, you guys could also sleep on a satin pillowcase. So I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll catch you guys in the morning. So it's the next day and this is what my hair is looking like. I got a haircut to make the end result a whole lot better. So I'm gonna take my first twist, I'm gonna start at the root and gently unravel it. And make sure to be patient. So I accidentally forgot to add hair growth oil to eliminate frizz. So this is what my hair looks like after splitting every single one of my twists once. So unfortunately, I actually didn't record. I really thought I did, but I just went over every single one of my twists and just split them a second time. And now I was getting the look I was looking for, a more afro slash curly look. Alright, so I'm done. As you guys can see, my hair is in the front of my forehead, and like it doesn't really like look good right now. So what I do is I like to push my hair back so it shows my lineup more. Anyways guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to share with your friends and family and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.